everybody. Now every day I'm going to do more and more science experiments. Hi everybody, I'm Surya, and today I'm going to show you how to make slime. So,
What is this, Shaurya?
it's a slime kit.
Can you read what is mentioned here?
Experimental
Mental
scientist
set.
My mom gave me it because I wanted the slime kit. Whoa, this is super cool. Whoa, this is a super cool stuff.
Whoa, what is this?
Hey, even this.
They have measuring spoons too?
Yeah, a scientist needs that, Daddy.
Why scientists need measuring spoons, Shaurya?
Did you know if with measuring tools we have to measure stuff, or if we do the bad stuff, it will explode and it will be a big.
Oh. Hey, they gave straw. I think we can drink juice with it.
Daddy, they're straws. There are different kinds of straws, experiment straws.
Oh.
We use different.
You should not use this for drinking?
No.
Okay.
This is for the experiments.
Oh, I don't know what these are. Effervescent tablets. Huh? I don't
And
know.
they gave us fun stuff. You see?
What is this?
That's
Measuring tubes?
yeah. You will need
How many they give?
4.
4. And what? Hey, look. They gave
Glasses.
goggles.
Yeah.
You know why they gave this one?
To our safety.
For safety. I
And look
thought.
at these.
What are these?
These are stuff. We will use them for showing how
Shape
they
here.
work. Whoa.
They gave colors too.
Because I know why. Because we are going to do experiments with them.
Whoa, are we gonna do experiments with them?
Yeah.
I don't know anything about slime.
I hear-
You got to teach me, okay?
Funny, Daddy.
Yes.
This is a science kit. This doesn't mean slime. This is a science kit. But they also make slime with it.
I thought this is slime. This is the science kit.
No, it's a science kit, and also the science kit will also show us cards, so we can. Those are experiment cards. We can see the directions how to build them, but they're cards.
Oh.
Hi everybody. So now I'm going to show you the things that the science kit gave me. Whoa, they gave us instruction cards. You know what instructions cards are? They're cards that show different instructions to make stuff or do stuff.
So can you pick what experiment we are doing today? Just one?
I don't know.
Select one. We'll be doing all the experiments, right?
Not every experiment one day.
One day, one experiment. Good job. Take it, Jimmy. Okay. Magical discolor?
Yeah, I love magic.
Ah.
We have a magic kit, Daddy.
Let's see.
We're talking about science.
Okay. Let's prepare for magical discolor.
But wait.
first,
I'm going to have to wear the safety, and I want to show stuff. Wait. They gave us stands. Look. For test tubes. Look. And beakers and measuring cups and stuff we can use to make experiments. And there are different kind of things we can use for experiments. Measuring cups, straws, and this card. I want to do this instead.
no, this is what magical discolor is.
Okay. And then you have to whoa.
What are you doing now?
Setting 1. Color changing flower.
Take few. More. Can I try?
Yes.
Be careful.
Okay, Daddy. Not many.
Mm-hmm. Use a cap. Cap. Now put color changing flowers in one tube. Yeah, go ahead. Put all. Put all. Good. And add hot water.
This is hot water?
Yes, be careful, be gentle. Hold on. More. Still 4. Yeah, done. Now stir it. Do you see that it's turning blue?
Yes.
But that's not the experiment. Yeah, keep stirring. Done. Enough. Okay.
Daddy, so what is happening?
Right now, this color changing flowers, I can see it's a blue color, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's go to the step number 2.
Yes.
So, step number 2, and also when you're doing the experiment, hold this on here, inside this, and then pour the water. Okay? Hold this please. Pour 40 ml vinegar in the clean tube.
What is vinegar?
This is vinegar. That is 40 ml. Keep doing. Solve. Pour everything. We measured it to 40 ml. Good. And put it here. Put it back. This is vinegar. Now take another tube. Pour some of the wash powder and 40 ml water in another tube and stir it. So add very little bit of soap.
How much?
Little bit. Chal. Yes. Now pour 40 ml of water. Yep. Wait. More. Still have to see 40 there. Not 40 yet. More. Yes. Now, can you put it back? Take a stirrer and stir it. Stir it. Soap water. Good. Okay. Now, what we are gonna do? Step number 3. Pour the liquid of color changing flower in the vinegar and wash powder liquid tube respectively. Significant change of color can be seen. Now, take the color changing flower tube, lift it up. Now gently pour some water in here and some water in here. And observe there will be a change in color. Whoa, that's changing to pink.
This?
Try, yeah, put. Stop. That is a light blue. That's cool. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
Whoa. This is a purple. This is not blue. This is purple. This one changed to pink.
And that's blue.
This one changed to blue.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Whoa.
So,
Do you like it?
yeah, and what are we going to do with the rest of this vinegar?
You are gonna clean it.
No, please can you do it, Daddy?
So you do experiment, Daddy cleans the work?
You are helping me.
Okay, see you in next experiment.
Yeah. And also, if you like this video, science video, press on the subscribe button and I'll make more. Bye.